Downtown Galveston Historic Strand District Food Tour. Must-try restaurants include seafood samplers, desserts, and more. Savoring best of the Texas Gulf from Galveston Island. Walking tour is a foodie lover's dream. Several food tour options for food lovers of all kinds. Don't miss out. Reserve today 40959955425. We encourage attendees to pace themselves. Accommodates up to 16 and a duration 4 hours. Specialty of the island is seafood, but you won't miss out on the other local foods and flavors. Tantalizing choices for every palate. Book your reservation online at tasteofthestrand.com.